Prime Minister Narendra Modi slams Congress, stating a traitorous party filled with corruption in his one-hour visit to Imphal. National General Secretary of Communist Party of India, D. Raja, alleges Bharatiya Janata Party as dictatorial, communal and fascist. And total shutdown called against Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit affects normal life in the state. Kurumjiri, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the top stories. First up, Prime Minister Narendra Modi slams Congress, stating it a traitorous party filled with corruption. He stated the same in his one-hour visit to Imphal while addressing a public meeting held at Khapta Kangjebong today. However, Prime Minister Narendra Modi did not give any statement regarding the prevailing issues in the state. Before the public address, Prime Minister Modi asked forgiveness for his late arrival. Speaking in the public meeting organized by BJP, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that with the coming of the BJP-led government in the state, North-East states, including Manipur, is advancing towards development. He added, now Manipur has become an important place for Act East policy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi further assured of making the state a manufacturing hub if BJP comes to power in the centre again. He also recalled that Manipur is famous in the field of sports, bringing laurels at national and international levels. Prime Minister Modi questioned on why the Congress government never took up welfare plans for the sportsperson. He asserted that, acknowledging the relentless efforts of the sportspersons, construction works of National Sports University are in the pipeline. He further assured of establishing a sporting hub in the state.
कांग्रेस के शासन में यहाँ क्या मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैक्टर हुआ, ये लोग कुछ चीजें मैन्युफैक्चर करने में एक्सपर्ट है, मास्टर है। ये गाली गलौज मैन्युफैक्चर करने में मास्टर है, ये झूठ मैन्युफैक्चर करने में मास्टर है। मणिपुर सहित पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में स्पोर्ट्स का टैलेंट तो पहले से ही था, लेकिन कांग्रेस ने कभी चिंता नहीं की। मैरी कॉम, कुंजू रानी देवी, मीराबाई चानू, बम्बाइला देवी, लेशराम, ऐसे अनेक एथलीट ये मणिपुर की धरती ने दिए हैं। हजारों ऐसे टैलेंटेड बेटे बेटियां यहाँ के गांव-गांव में मौजूद है। हमारी सरकार ने नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स यूनिवर्सिटी बनाने के साथ साथ मणिपुर को देश का स्पोर्टिंग हब बनाने की तरफ कदम बढ़ाए।
Chief Minister N. Biren and President of BJP Manipur Pradesh Khetremim Bhavananda welcomed Prime Minister Narendra Modi with flower garland upon his arrival at Khapta Kangjebong. Chief Minister N. Biren gave the welcoming speech followed by a speech from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Speaking to the public gathering, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that the BJP-led government have formulated Act for plantation and selling of bamboos to improve and enhance the economic condition of the land. He proclaimed that the BJP-led government has been able to strike terrorists in Pakistan for the first time in India. Prime Minister Modi asserted that the BJP have undertaken the works which Congress has failed to do.
भाइयों और बहनों, कांग्रेस को नॉर्थ ईस्ट की चिंता होती तो इम्फाल सहित यहाँ की सभी राजधानियां अब जाकर से रेलवे से अब जुड़ी है, वो पहले जुड़ी और सड़कें बनाने का काम मोदी को करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती। एयरपोर्ट से जुड़े प्रोजेक्ट इतने लंबे लंबे समय तक लटकते ना रहते। डोलाई थाबी बैराज को बनाने के लिए मोदी का इंतजार न करना पड़ता। वैसे कांग्रेस ने नॉर्थ ईस्ट में भी बहुत से खेल खेले हैं, पर ये खेल उसने आप लोगों की जिंदगियों से खेले हैं, आपके सम्मान के साथ खेला है। अब राजनीति की इस फुटबॉल में हर बार आपके साथ पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट के साथ फाउल करने वाली कांग्रेस को रेड कार्ड दिखाने का वक्त आ गया है।
President of NEIDP Central Working Committee and Samajit stated that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi will never acknowledge the issues faced by the people of the state and only the residents of the state can solve the issues. He was speaking in an election campaign held at Oinam Irengbam, organized for inner Lok Sabha election candidate R.K. Anand. Samajit further added that they hindered development in the state even after the long-term reign of the national parties in the state clearly shows that national parties did not care for regional issues. He asserted that Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation, who spoke on abolishing Congress party, was an hint to mold one's own regional parties. National General Secretary of Communist Party of India, D. Raja, stated that the country will obliterate if BJP succeed in the upcoming election. He stated the same while addressing a public gathering at the flag-hoisting ceremony of CPI inner candidate Dr. Moirangthem Nara. Comrade M. Ibohal, who was a follower of Hijam Irawad, hoisted the flag in the flag-hoisting ceremony held at Dr. Nara's residence in Singjamai Thongam Lekai for the ensuing 17th Lok Sabha election today. Addressing a public gathering, D. Raja stated that the nation faced tribulation during Congress reign, and after coming of BJP-led Modi government, the nation is in critical condition with falling in governance. He accused the RSS for being a dictatorial fascist and disdaining federalism. Raja proclaimed that only Dr. Nara will speak for the state in the parliament. He stated that CPI will strive to rein the special status category of the state and will intercept CAB from being ever implemented in the country. CPI supporters and many people attended the ceremony.
What is the civilization we talk about when our children are lynched, when our women are raped and lynched? What is the civilization? This is what happening under Modi's regime. Mr. Modi's regime has become one of the worst regimes. Modi has become a dictatorial ruler. Our party has made it very clear. Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 be withdrawn. Totally it should be withdrawn. Then we say special category status be restored and greater autonomy to be granted to Manipur.
Speaking in the flag-hoisting ceremony, CPI candidate Dr. Nara stated that the upcoming election is not a battle between Congress and BJP but rather a battle between wrongdoers and truth seekers. He further urged people to vote wisely in the upcoming election. Dr. Nara further alleged the promises of Modi as false promises and asserted that many farmers has even lost their life while Modi was busy serving some sections. He urged the need to change the way of electing representatives to bring a corruption-free and better nation. Dr. Nara urged people to vote for him and let him serve people of the state.
Congress BJP ni yengaroi ngasidi parliament miyam asigi ihul khangna wang nang ban nang da mi do Manipuri prajan pam madu ki mission do ai na koi je ko yabra hai sida ai na candidate hoina party na sumniya me support ho mirga ai election si undar gabani I stand for justice.
National General Secretary of Communist Party of India, D. Raja, reiterated that people no longer wanted the BJP-led NDA government and their desire for new governance will uncover in the ensuing Lok Sabha election. Speaking to media at Iravad Bhavan, D. Raja lamented that The BJP-led NDA government have failed to keep their assurance, leading to which people will overthrow the BJP government in the forthcoming election. He proclaimed that the prevailing commotion in the state will be solved if left parties come to power in India.
Prime Minister and BJP leaders are resorting to abuses. In fact, in a democracy as we have today, like Ms. Amartya Sen has said, people should be argumentative Indians. We must argue. We must be argumentative. Prime Minister should be prepared to argue with me. I must be prepared to argue with Prime Minister. That is the spirit of democracy. But Prime Minister and BJP leaders, instead of being argumentative Indians, they have become abusive Indians.
Attending the press meet, CPI Manipur State Secretary L. Satan Kumar asserted that BJP Inner Manipur candidate R.K. Ranjan, stating Professor A.P. Pandey as innocent in the Manipur University issue and Chief Minister N. Biren's justification of the midnight police crackdown in Manipur University in the intervening night of September 20th and 21st as an unfortunate incident. He asserted that the incident clearly shows that the present government does not thus care for the welfare of the people of the state, rather execute works only under the command of central BJP government.
Akan University and the loan strike Manu Saida Purapuri, Lanbanamagi Manu, the question the Lera Magadavuna, a Hinong Chabukta, Maduda, Security Tajandana, Nupi hostel da. Ozasing hostel da, Boys hostel da, Moibu Namnur Farakanda, police custody the Namsanba, Jane the Namsanba, Adulerna, Anab was a York Matam Makoida, Hardcore Kanda, Hospital, the Pubansing Makaya talk ribsing se. Masia Chumbani, Hydra Manipur Chief Minister, Munangaran, Gangi Bese, Masisu, Akoi Communist Party na akan condemned away.
Normal life is largely affected in the state today following the general strike and boycott called by various proscribed groups regarding Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit in view of the forthcoming Lok Sabha election. Main business center of the state, including Khwayanban Market, Pauna and Thangal Market, remained shut down. Oil pumps, banks and interstate bus services were on halt and roads bore a deserted look except for some private vehicles plying on the road. Oil pumps and shops remained closed. Manipur police and paramilitary forces gave a strict whistle to avoid any untoward incidents during the course of the general strike and boycott caused by various proscribed groups including Korkom and Maoist. The total shutdown caused by various proscribed groups also affected a normal life in Bishnupur district. Nambol, Bishnupur and Moirang markets remained shut down during the total shutdown. Despite of the state's initiated programs like Go to Hill, Go to Village and School Fagat Hansi for the welfare of the people, Tangkhul Hundung village under Phongyar Assembly constituency in Kamjong district is devoid of electricity, water, medical facilities, compounded by deplorable road condition. Speaking to media, village secretary Johar Ramai lamented the underdeveloped condition of the village. He asserted that the villages is still deprived of proper school facilities with lack of infrastructure and teachers. He expressed discontentment towards the state and relevant authorities for failing to pay heed to their countless pleas regarding the matter.
BJP government appai bise yamna akhoi gi khunda area da yamna development si yam chon lei Tangkhulungdung Khulen the primary health center ama lay haina only name by name. Maming khakta gini staff so akoi udre huji building shu leitre adu akoi kramaina tawdom no. Akoi many time government akoi proposal di pi hrabni adu huji folks not accepted adu yaradi huji pali ba sarkar sina akoi gi building khangde staff khangde sida computer khangde khara matam chana khara pp rodi akoi su akoi gi awaba anaba si loine kokani haina khale high school infrastructure and building construction akoi gi high school se 2011 the upgrade to bi khrabni government na adubo hojik su headmaster p3.
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 9 sectors from rifles organizing 75th anniversary commemoration of Battle of Imphal at Imphal War Cemetery in Chingmeirom. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. 9 sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGR South held 75th anniversary commemoration of Battle of Imphal at Imphal War Cemetery in Chingmeirom today. Floral tributes were paid to the gallant Second World War martyrs led by IGRR South Inspector General KP Singh. A special troop of Assam Rifles also played post-mill tune, and 2-minute silence were paid as a mark of respect to the late soldiers. IGR South Inspector General Major KP Singh, Imphal East Deputy Commissioner Rangitabali Waikom, retired Lieutenant General Rabi Aipe, Lieutenant General K. Himalaya, CRPF Inspector General Rajesh Kumar, 9 Sector Assam Rifles Commandant Brigadier Amit Kabithial, IGR South Deputy Inspector General Brigadier R.K. Singh, BSF DIG Anand Singh and ex-servicemen of Army and many people attended the event. The religious teachers of Hindu, Christian, Muslim and Sikh religions read few lines from the religious texts to bless the souls of these brave men who fought the fateful war in the pan-religious ceremony. War veterans were felicitated and a guided tour of the Imphal War Cemetery marked the event. It may be mentioned that the Battle of Imphal was referred to as one of the bloodiest battles in World War II. It was the decisive battle which blunted the Japanese offensive into India and was the turning point of the Burma campaign. 12 Assam Rifles Quadta Post under the aegis of 26 Sector Assam Rifles held an awareness program in relation to World Health Day today. Speaking in the event, Post Commander of a 12 Assam Rifle Charlie Company Quadta Post, Major T.A. Sanaton Singh gave insights of the event. 12 Assam Rifles Khudeng Thabi Post also organized an awareness program in relation to World Health Day at Khudeng Thabi. Taking part in the event, 12 Assam Rifles Major Dr. Akbar Khan and Post Commander of Khudeng Thabi Post, Major Nandakumar stressed on various resourceful insights in relation with the World Health Day. One-day awareness program come training camp on bamboo nursery raising and plantation seeds and vegetative was held at Quadta village in Technopole district today. The awareness program come a training camp was organized by Divisional Forest Officer, Technopole Forest Division under the aegis of National Bamboo Mission 2018-19. Experts in the event stressed on ways to plant and preserve bamboo in long term to the villages who attended the training program. Speaking in the event, Technopole Forest Division Deputy Conservator of Forest E. Hom Singh stated that the village once used to grow bamboo plants very well and soibum, a local cuisine, was produced abundantly. He asserted that mass cutting down of bamboo and flowering of bamboo plants leads to less production, and the program was held with an aim to restore the abundant production. President of Yakairo Lesemba Club, Uyumpok Nongsum S. Sunil, strongly condemned the allegations made by the student organization Desam upon Pradhan of Uyumpok Gram Panchayat K. Bungobi regarding misleading of students in admission. Speaking to media in press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, Sunil turned the blame imposed upon Ibungobi that he threatened the parents and guardians of 22 students of Ideal Moral Academy to move out their wards from the school as baseless. He further urged Desam not to interfere in parents' choice of school for their wards. The president warned of strict action along with various civil society organizations on Desam if they continue to interfere in the matter in near future.
Hogi charging na topa Ideal Moral Academy School dagi lawthoga atopa school da admission tawba chatpa matamda school gi principal jing da founder da angang admission tohonba yaroi hana inda samgi karmi singna karigumba treat tawba ju yawi school ani ohum sida is garjala moina adugumba khunai ji gi mairu sing asoba thodang lawriba thawuru singna adugumba apikpa angang jing moral da sokada thabuk tu ai taraptagi garjala moina ai moi mafam da ngang haningde duga huji karigumba haji akoina admission tawba matamda desamna khut thingila putaragadi guardian amoina NGO sing civil society civil organization loina rakada khoina khungjang kaya amadi sang mutha sanghan nabugi garjala moina khoi sem saraga dum leije.
All Manipur Working Journalist Union AMJO in a press release condoled the untimely demise of former Samantha Pratika and former editor of Panthungpham publication, Senjam Tombino from Sagolban Kangabam Laikai on 5th of April. Age-old tradition of Meitei community, Ogri Hangen Chongba, in relation with the Sajibu Nongma Panba Cherauba festival was held with much gaiety and fervor yesterday. In the Ogri Hangen Chongba, held for the 4th time at Kurai Popular Ground under the initiative of MLA Kurai El Susindro, attendees were well decked up in traditional attire and participated in the event. Speaking to media, MLA Susindro stated that the event was organized to preserve the age-old tradition of Ogri Hangen Chongba festival, which is slowly fading away in the present generation. He added, it is a duty of the youth to nurture such endangered tradition. El Susindro expressed gratitude upon seeing the immense participation in Ogri Hangen Chongba and asserted that it is the clear sign of ability to preserve the indigenous festival. Residents of Thangweban, Laurenpur Laikai also performed a Thabal Chongba organized by Naharol Yaifa Kongjang NYK Club, welcoming the beginning of a new year on the occasion of Sajibu Nongma Panba Cherauba last night.
Ogi Hangen Chongba na mayamna khangnaba akoi Meitei oina Cheraubagi ahamba numita anambara pangthoknaba adumba program ni aduna masida ayana thawai yauriba amasung ayana support tawui maramdi mangkhraba adumba traditional gi oiba sumba Ogi Hangen Chongba se masijina mamangda chatnaramba chatnalong chatsing haiba tare maduma mayam siduna si amuk na honana akoi mayam punamakta tungi lakadaba yumbrel singda tungi lakadaba naha singda loinam uhalaba matungda khangalaba matungda Anoba Manipur ma oiranaba honaba matamda Kurai haiba jaga asidagi tangai phadana achoba responsibility ma lawjarakanda akoina honajabani.
Now to sports news. Ward number 12 Sekmai backed the champion title of the first Inter-Ward Open Football Tournament. In the final match played today, Ward number 12 Sekmai defeated Kurukul Gram Panchayat by 2-0. For the winner, KH Roman scored 2 goals in the 52nd and 67th minute of the match. The winning award includes a trophy and cash award of 15,000 rupees, and the runners-up award includes a trophy and cash award of 10,000 rupees. Lairen Kabi Kandangban GP Pradhan E. Prem Kumar, Kurukul Gram Panchayat Pradhan I. Sanata and Kurukul Gram Panchayat Upar Pradhan Y. Malyam Gandhi and people of the area attended the event. 14 football teams participated in the tournament jointly organized by Kanto Awang Laikai Development Organization and Kurukul Gram Panchayat at KCDO playground since March 24th. Creative Taekwondo Institute Sagolban felicitated their players who bagged gold medal and took part in the All India Kumyong Taekwondo Championship at Guwahati recently. Pradhan of Langjing GP and members of Langjing Makha Laikai Development Committee and Yaifa Lamjing Club attended the occasion held at the office of the institute. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi slams Congress, stating it a traitorous party filled with corruption in his one-hour visit to Imphal. National General Secretary of Communist Party of India, D. Raja, alleges Bharatiya Janata Party as dictatorial, communal and fascist. And total shutdown called against Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit affects normal life in the state.